Ready to learn how to create and self-publish your own coloring book? In this video, we're gonna do one of my favorites. We are gonna create a coloring book from scratch. So the very first thing you wanna do is go ahead and decide what your coloring book is going to be about. Even though I do create coloring books and sell them, I always make sure they are a clear solution to a clear problem, because when I'm selling my coloring book, I gotta tell people why they need to buy this, right? So choose your topic. I like to find book niches by heading over to Amazon.com and just searching for what's trending. So go to Amazon.com, click where it says all, select books, and then type in coloring book. Now, you're going to see this autofill. Choose whichever one that you are serving. So I'm going to do coloring books for adults, relaxation, asking for a friend, and click on this one. And then if you go over here to this gray button where it says sort by featured, select that and select by best sellers. That is going to tell you what people are currently purchasing. And that's kind of one of the hacks that I use when I'm creating these new books. I make what people are currently buying. Just because people were buying it 3 months ago doesn't mean they're buying it now. So if you are creating something new, go ahead and take a look at what is trending now. So when I scroll down, of course, this makes sense. Halloween themed because I'm recording this in October. It makes sense. Stress relief, bold, easy coloring. I like that. So bold words, bold drawings. That makes a lot of sense. Cute and comfy coloring, large print, calm coloring. Again, Halloween stuff, girl moments, cute and comfy coloring. Lots of cozy. I'm seeing a whole lot of cozy. This one is Amelia Green. So I might go for an anxiety relief coloring book, but I might do, because I see a lot of Halloween themed stuff, I might do like a fall theme. So a cozy anxiety relief coloring book for adults. That will be my niche. Then number two, go ahead and design and format your coloring book. With AI, this is very easy to do nowadays. There's not much work involved. But if you don't want to use AI, I'll show you how to do it as well. I'm going to recommend that you use Canva.com to create your coloring book pages. It's free and they have incredible templates for you. But if you don't want to, there's a website called Fiverr.com that you can use to hire somebody. So you would just go to Fiverr.com, type in draw original coloring book pages, and then you can hire somebody. So I'll say draw coloring book pages, hit enter. And there's a ton of options for you. And look, they're from $5. So if you're doing a printable like me, you only need about 5 images. So the total would cost you about 25 bucks. And that way you're not competing with the same AI that other people are, because I know a lot of people don't want to use AI. I have no issue with AI. I think it's fantastic. But if you don't want to use AI, this is a great option for you. You can also use Upwork.com, Upwork.com. They both do the same thing. So go over to canva.com and then go to custom size. Select 8.5 by 11 because we're doing these as printables. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my title page. Fall inspired. And then I'll just put my little printables. So on the left here, go to Magic Media, select graphics, and then you're going to type in what you'd like the AI to create. So I'll say, please generate a coloring book image with bold black lines of a pumpkin. Hit enter, and then it's just going to generate it for me. How cute is this? So I'll use this one, put it on the page, and then I'll do that again. Now I'll do, please generate a coffee cup. Oh, that is so cute. And now to make our coloring books unique so that people can't just copy it, I do recommend that you add some text. We are authors and we can do this easily. So I'm going to click add a heading and I'll say, it's time for fall. And then I'll make this into a nice little romantic font like apricots. I love this. It's time for fall. Grab the same exact font. I'll put, it's time for a cozy drink. I'll put, and don't forget a slice of pie. Awesome. So now our coloring book images are done. And what I can also add is a little bit of an introduction.
All right. And if you're one of my students, you know I always like to have a for follow-up page. For follow-up. Excellent. And then I do want to do a cover page just because I think they're pretty. Oh, I love it. And maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger so that the spacing fits better. There we go. Fall-inspired cozy anxiety relief coloring book for adults. I love her. Beautiful. And I could honestly play with this all day. So I like for my printables to have the opener and closing page on both the front and the back. So now that is it, and we can download this. So fall inspired cozy coloring book for adults, printable. And you're going to download this as a PDF print. So you're going to download two files. Download first the PNG only of just the first page, and then download the PDF print of all 9 pages. Go ahead and flatten the PDF and click download.
Step number 3, go ahead and self-publish your coloring book. And that just means to make your coloring book available for sale. I recommend that you self-publish this on your own website as printable PDF pages. That way, you make pure profit, my love. You allow people to print this at home on their own computers, and that way you don't have to pay the cost of printing and shipping your books.
I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostingjoy.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostingjoy.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. Once you get on this page, go ahead and type in what you do. So I'll put coloring books for adults. And then I'll write, I sell, and then I'll put it, fall inspired cozy relief coloring books for adults that are printables. And then it's going to suggest adding an online store, and then click create a website. You are about to see how quickly Hostinger AI makes it for us to create our coloring books, to list our books for sale. It's absolutely incredible. Awesome. So it has generated for us an entire website. You see this, and you see how it's fall inspired? They already branded it. I love it. Go ahead and click continue. The first thing you'll be prompted to do is to add your coloring book. So you see how it says set up your store. Click here, add products. Select digital product so that they'll automatically receive it as soon as they purchase. And then over here, upload the front page. Hostinger's AI is amazing. It will literally generate a product description for you based on what you put on the front page. It's so cool. Excellent. Now that it has added all of our details, we can go ahead and upload the actual interior. So this is a printable, so I'll probably sell it for $9.99. And right here where it says digital product, click upload files and go ahead and upload your interior PDF that I had you save. The one that you did file save as PDF, upload that. And then right here, I like to let them download it for 30 days, but that is up to you. And I like to turn off show related products because I don't have other products for sale. But once you do, make sure you turn that back on and click save. Now you're on your back end of your products. Go ahead and delete the other products that Hostinger has suggested for you. So everything that you did not upload, basically, go ahead and select it and hit delete. And you should be left with just your product right here. And then go ahead and click edit website. What's so cool is that Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you literally click edit, click edit, click edit. You'll see that our product here is listed for sale. I'm actually going to go ahead and go to the top and click add section. Select online store, select single product. This is how I prefer. I like it to be full, like right above the fold like this. And then I can edit everything from here. So I actually don't need this section. So I'll just click and delete. I no longer need this, click and delete. I always like to keep the subscribe, so I'll keep that and keep this. Now to edit, for example, I would like for this section to be the same color as my coloring book. So click inside the section, click edit section, where it says section color, click that. So let's pick a color, and then you're gonna go ahead and scroll to your coloring book image. Awesome. Now I'm going to change this and I'm going to say, it's time to get cozy for fall. I changed my text to Roberto and bold. Here, I'll change this to text. And I'll put coloring books for adults. And in here, I'm going to get rid of the second button. Move this button. Like I said, Hostinger is what you see is what you get. It's so cool. Click this button, click edit button, and go ahead and change where it says link to. Click page and select your book, and then go to style and change your color to whatever the branding is of your book. Back here, I'm going to select edit section, video, replace video, and I want to put find more coloring book images. Ooh, look at this. This is perfect. And it's orange. That's excellent. So I'll put select item. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I'll take down this opacity. I like the opacity to come down. And then I will probably go ahead and change this. Click edit text. Click these 3 more options. Put a background color. And I will put that orange. And go ahead and bring this in so that the spacing fits better. How cool is that? And that's so cool. I love it so much. And now I'll scroll down and we've already got here. You can change how everything is laid out. So if you can do it center, like sometimes I like center a lot. But I'll keep left here. You can make it square, landscape, portrait. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I also like to change the color. So you see how this is black. So I like that button to be the same as this orange. I just like the branding. And then scroll down over here. I'll click edit section, section color, change that also to our orange. And then down here, again, this is what you see is what you get. So I'll just get rid of these because I don't actually have this information. But once you do, go ahead and keep that. And I do recommend always keeping your submit buttons. Now up top, we've got the home page. Let's go to the shop page. This is beautiful. I'll just get rid of the reviews because we don't have that yet. The about page, our mission, why choose us. Excellent. And the only thing I might just add over here, and you can do this by going to elements, button, and I'll put a button over here for me. And I'm just going to put a shop now. I can drag this here. Shop now, style, same orange color, and I'll link page to our actual book. I want every single page to actually sell my coloring book. And then finally, contact. I recommend always keeping that. I'm just going to get rid of the location because I don't have a location. So let's go to home. I'm going to click save. I'm going to click preview. And here is our website that we just very quickly created to sell our coloring book printable. And what I love about this is as soon as somebody purchases, they will get an automatic download. So I don't have to do anything. My job at this point is marketing. And definitely check out the video that I did 2 weeks ago that shows you how to create a marketing plan, because coloring books are one of the easier products to market because all you have to do is show yourself coloring it. That's the marketing for a coloring book product. It's so cool. So that is how you create a coloring book and then list it for sale very, very quickly. Thank you to Hostinger for sponsoring today's video. If you want to get started with your own Hostinger website to quickly list your coloring book for sale, go to hostinger.com/godthewoodgirl. Use discount code godthewoodgirl at checkout to take 10% off your entire hosting plan.
Now, if you want to go ahead and expand your product line to include nonfiction books, which you can typically charge more money for, come join me in my God the Wood Girl 31-day Write Your Book Bootcamp. I show you how to write and self-publish your own nonfiction book step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. That's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. In the meantime, don't forget to join the God That Would Grow Start Your Book Business Challenge so you can get your book business up and running. Go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com, and don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.